Do you want to send some money to a relative, friend, or close one and the person does not have a bank account to receive the money? Well, with the ease in banking right now, even without a bank account, one can still receive money from anyone. Well, there are more than 7 ways to send someone money if the person does not have a bank account. But in this video today, we will be looking at just 2 of them. One being an online method, and the other being an offline method. However, you can still go to our blog page, and you will get the rest of them from there. Well, the 2 main methods we will be showing are, creating an e-wallet, and using a check for the offline method. 1. Create an e-wallet. There are presently several options when it comes to online wallets. And the most popular ones are, PayPal, Venmo, Western Union, and many others. All you need to do is that both the sender and receiver go online, and create an account on any of the options above. We also have a generalized article that show how to create an account online on any of them. And once you both have an account there, you can easily go through the sending and receiving process. 2. Using a check. The second option comes if you the sender have a bank account, you can just write a check for the receiver to go to the bank and withdraw without necessary having a bank account. Well, there are other options like using gift cards, debit cards, other money transfer services, money orders, and many others. You can get them on our page at milkytutorials.com. Well, before leaving, just support us with a like or a subscribe to help and bring more informative videos as such in the nearest future.